गुणिवर्जिन सकाशात् जाति सर्पविगौरवं पुष्पमालानुषंगेण तृणैः शिरसि धाज्यते. This is the quotation in Sanskrit. I hope you have already listened this, or you have already studied this in your schools. So this is the things. If you are in your environment is good, if you are in the people who are great people who are good in communication, good in their success in their life, then you are the one who is going to be in the path. If you are not success yet, then you are in the path to be success. It's like this. Your quality of relationship is decided by the quality of conversation. That means your quality of conversation also decided the quality of character that you have. So wishing you all, everyone, your host Ranjan Giri this side, and in my perspective of view about the quality of relationship is decided by the quality of conversation is that if you have a good quality of conversation, that doesn't mean you have a good quality of relationship. Conversation or the quality of communication is just a skill that can be learned anyone everywhere in any position, but the relationship is the core thing that your character decide, that your nature decide, and your nature, your thinking mentality is also decided by the people that you are with always, or the environment that you are living in, or the thinking mentality that you have possessed, or the way that your thinking vision, this can be decided about the relationship of your anyone. As like your conversation with your father is not same as your conversation with your teacher. Your conversation with your friend is not always same with your conversation of your girlfriend or life partner or anyone. The conversation, the pitch of conversation, the pitch of conversation skill and the pitch of communication is different from person to person, because in your mind there are some emotion, there are some empathy, there are some sympathy for someone, for them who is in front of you. So according to the face of the in front who is in there, according to their face our mentality should be changes, our communication skills should be changes, our relationship to him will be changes. As like this, or as like in this way we are behave with someone else. That is the thing. Means in my point of view, relationship is the empathy or the sympathy that create from your heart, not from your skills, because communication is a skill that can learn anyone. Yes, your conversation pitch or your type of conversation that can be decide that how you are positive with the conversation, how you are encouraged with the conversation, how you are engaged with the conversation. That can improve your relationship. And in relationship, conversation is most important, and the way of conversation is most important, because in that conversation there is no, it's like in the conversation there is a affection that is related with this, and with this affection the relationship can be strong. Relationship doesn't need any conversation, doesn't need any uh, further explanation, because your mother can know everything. If you are even if you are saying lying, then your mother can know, because he know your affection, your facial expression that can be measured. So communication skill is a skill that can be learned everywhere. Someone can be tell you lie by his skill, but his facial expression cannot say you lie. That's the mother judge. That's a father know that how you are skilled and how you can do this. And relationship can be grow with the emotions, with the sympathy, with the affections. In my point of view, this is. So after this, I want to signing my words and rest my words. So I want to give your point of view according to this topic. The quality of relationship is decided by the quality of conversation. Thank you.